backpackers, backpackettes, take my word for it. Cartagena is lit and it's it. This city just leaves so much to be desired. Right when your vacation is almost over, you're really making plans on when you're going to return to Cartagena. Or maybe that's just me, because I'm looking for flights as we speak. February, hello. And to be honest with y'all, this ain't even my favorite city, but there was something about this last trip that had me thinking different. Now, unintentionally, but fortunate enough, I did have the pleasure of linking up with a couple of brothers I met through the lights of YouTube, and man, words can't describe how hard we bodied this trip.
Talking to me crazy, don't be talking to me crazy, don't be talking to me crazy.
Lord have mercy. We must stay focused, brothers.
Alright, hasta luego, backpack. Backpacker. GFE King, you heard? Not the GFE King, you heard? Hold up. Look. Yo, backpack. Say bye one more time, backpack. GFE King, you heard? That's the king, right?
4 of 6 from 3 in the fourth quarter alone.
Right there. Venezuela, bro. Venezuela.